Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you something very interesting. Do you know that you're able to see the deleted messages in WhatsApp? If you don't know how to do it, in this video I'm gonna show you, and trust me, it's very easy. There's nothing complicated. Just make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. And yeah, let's move on. Let's jump in. So how to do it? First, actually we don't need the WhatsApp. Just go on Play Store and just download for this app here, What's Removed Plus. And when you install it, just click on Open, and let me show you what to do now. Just click on Accept, yes, and allow. Where is it? Here, you need to allow it. Wait a few seconds. Click on Accept, go back, select WhatsApp, click Next, yes, click Save Files, allow, and that's it. So now every time when someone texts you, when someone sends you a message and then he deleted or she deleted, then you get a notification in this app, What's Removed, and you will be able to see what what message this person removed. So yeah, that was it. If you're finding this video helpful, just give it a like, and also don't be hesitate or ashamed to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.